whatever account that is selected as probably does
Mhm.
not have sending authorization, and it needs to. But if in that event you could send it through your Outlook account, and it would probably still go. So technically, we need to probably go in if it was being sent from your Gmail account and giving that error, that basically means that in your integrations area under,
Uh-huh.
under Google, that authorization for that is not right. And it probably I've had some people go in there, they do the authorization,
Mhm.
and as they do the authorization, let me do one here. So
Laura, I know what's going on
yeah,
here.
I think
right.
I do too, because I was basically almost like, for some reason, when I went in the other day, it came up again with the 0 and no LS and all that stuff. So I had to totally log out. And I think when I do that, it kind of forgets me.
It
You're
may have
The Gmail
disconnected
forgets
or
me.
something, but um, and I've already done it on this one as well. There's a little checkbox that you have to check on this if you've not been through it before. And if people forget that checkbox or don't do that checkbox, it won't give the authorization that is actually needed. So
Okay.
it's right here. It is send email on your behalf. If that's not checked whenever you do this authentication piece,
Uh-huh.
it'll give you that error that you're seeing.